So this is what we're dealing with today. She's seen better days, hasn't she?
Years of neglect have taken their toll, but underneath, the spirit of this machine waits.
We've got our work cut out for us here. Look at this. The leather is completely covered in dust and mold.
As we carefully guide it into the workshop, the harsh overhead lights begin to reveal the true extent of the decay. Gentle brushing now, just to loosen all that surface grime.
You can see the sheer amount of dirt and grime caked onto these wheels. The neglect is quite extensive here. Look at all this mud caked on the undercarriage. It's completely covered.
We'll start by pressure washing the undercarriage to remove all the caked on mud and grime.
Water continues to cleanse the exterior panels, washing away years of neglect. And with the dirt gone, the true extent of the rust is revealed. Next, we'll address these areas. With the cleaning stage complete, we can now begin the careful disassembly of the M5's front end, starting with this damaged kidney grille. Now we carefully lower the bumper, checking for any remaining snags.
And as we take the wheel off, you can see the extent of the corrosion on these brake components.
The M5's front-end disassembly revealed extensive corrosion on the core support bolts. We'll need to replace these. Grinding away the stubborn rust, revealing the clean metal underneath. Each pass brings us closer to a perfect finish. We sand away the layers of corrosion, revealing the clean metal beneath. We've got the car stripped down, ready for the next phase of its transformation. Carefully marking out all the remaining corrosion before we treat it. This stage is crucial.
Now we are removing the final layers of corrosion from the rocker panel.